Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to create a news channel with AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Now you can see this page on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box. And after you will click the link, you'll land on this site. Now click on create video. Now you need to click on templates. Scroll down and select this news channel template. I'll select the first image. You can select your language from here. You can write your script here and you can also upload your voice here. I'll go to ChatGPT, ask it to write a news for me. I'll type write a weather news. I'll copy the news and go back to this site and paste it in this box. You can also edit your video. You can add text to it. You can change the color and the size. You can also change the ratio of the video. Now let's play the video.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your weather report for September 5th, 2023.
This is how you can create a news channel with AI. To download the video, you need to have the paid version. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.